Hello, good afternoon. My name is Adumakun Osei Maxwell. Index number 522-10-338, reading procurement and supply chain management. And I'm here this afternoon to make a presentation on the external environmental analysis, that is AI adoption in banking, a strategic case study of GCB Bank PLC in Ghana. So now moving forward, the AI revolution in banking. And as indicated on the screen, it is indicated or explained or highlighted that artificial intelligence enables computer systems to perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, learning, reasoning, decision-making, and predictive analysis. Machine learning, robotic process automation, and natural language processing are transforming banking operations globally. So financial institutions leverage AI to automate processes, enhance fraud detection, personalize services, and strengthen risk management, creating competitive advantages through efficiency and innovation. So AI, artificial intelligence, is one of the tools, the current tools that is driving most business operations, and banking aspect is one of those operations or those sectors in question to be discussed. So we have gotten to know that artificial intelligence is enabling computer systems to perform so many tasks or operations which requires human-like intelligence, which includes learning, reasoning, decision-making, and predictive analysis, including machine learning, robotic process automation, which is a technological tool that mimics human interactions and performs repetitive tasks on a continual basis based on the kind of programming system that is going to be incorporated into this kind of machines to perform certain operations in the banking sector. Okay, so and natural languaging processes are transforming banking operations globally, which means it's not only about the local aspects, but also internationally as well, because banking as a sector not only operates locally, but also internationally or globally as well. So financial institutions are being leveraged by the help of these AI tools to automate processes, streamline operations, enhance fraud detection, personalize services, strengthen risk management, creating competitive advantages through efficiency and innovation. And all these helps to better make decisions and also facilitate strategical management decisions with regards to the particular kind of operations we need to undertake in the banking sector. Okay, so that's for the AI revolution. So moving fast to the global AI investment trends. We have the global AI investment, we have the fraud detection improvement, we have the customer service. And we can see on the screen that we have associated dollar sign, which is the amount or the currency amount with regards to its percentage and that of the other figure indicated there. So we have the global AI investments. So financial institutions investing billions annually in AI technologies. They are doing this because AI is making waves on the market. AI is leveraging most of the operations of most businesses and actually making businesses thrive and being successful on the market. So companies or financial institutions as a banking sector or being part of the banking sector are investing billions of cedis or billions of dollars, as indicated, annually, that is yearly, in AI technologies. Then, with regards to the fraud detection improvements, AI-powered systems significantly enhance security capabilities. And that of the customer service, we can see that chatbots and virtual assistants provide round-the-clock support. So all these are some of the aspects that really indicate that the global AI investment trends is significantly making banking sectors or operations more successful day in, day out with the help of these AI tools that is helping most of the banking sectors and operations. Yes. So yeah, moving forward, we have other aspects to talk about with regards to how AI tools are helping or is helping the banking operations to operate successfully to boost our operations. So we can talk of the political, we can talk of the social, we can talk of the legal, we can talk of the economic, we can talk of the technological, and we can talk of the environmental. So with regards to the political, it is highlighted that national digital transformation agendas, and financial inclusions mandate driving modernization. That is that for the political, because every operation that is being undertaken in the environment or with regards to how strategic management is involved, there is the need for us to also take consideration of what the governments are doing, the political aspect of the economy and all that, because day in, day out, policies are being made day in, day out, which one way or the other relates or affects either positively or negatively the kind of operations we need to undertake. So political aspect is very important, as indicated. Now, social, day in, day out interaction between members in the community or society also helps to also make decisions with regards to the kind of operations we need to undertake in the banking sector. So it is indicated that evolving customer expectations for personalized, convenient digital services, and that for the legal, law, statutes, rules and regulations are also important, and we need to also consider those aspects as far as our mode of operations are concerned in the banking sector in relation to the AI tools that we are employing in our mode of operations day in, day out. So Bank of Ghana regulations promoting innovation whilst ensuring cybersecurity. Economic, high implementation cost balanced by blah, 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 operational efficiency gains. Technological, rapid advancements from rule-based systems to sophisticated machine learning models. And then environmental, because sustainability aspect is also important as far as our mode of operations are also concerned as the banking sector. So we need to also inculcate or consider aspects of sustainability or green mode of operations. So that is why the environmental aspect is being underlined here or is being taken care of over here. So with the environmental aspect, it's indicated that digital platforms reducing physical footprint and paper use so that we will be able to operate in a way that is going to be environmentally friendly, to be able to reduce environmental degradation, air pollution, and all sort of environmentally negative ways, so that the environment will be able to be friendly with regards to the kind of operations we are undertaken as far as the banking operations is concerned. Yes, so these are the aspects we are talking about. So we have the political, social, and all that. So now let's move on to the short-term implications, because we have short-term implications and we have the long-term implications with regards to the banking operations and the kind of AI tools or technologies we are using in our mode of operations. So we have the initial investment, we have the operational efficiency, we have the enhanced security. So with regards to the initial investment, it is indicated or highlighted that technology infrastructure and skilled human resources are required. And with the operational efficiency, automation reduces manual processes and improves productivity, because day in, day out, human interaction, if humans are more involved in certain operations, more errors are going to be or going to be made. But if these AI tools are being promoted and are being inculcated efficiently and effectively in our mode of operations, these paper-based methods and human, errors and all that are drastically going to be reduced to the minimum, if not total eradication, but to the minimum. Okay, so enhanced security, that is improved fraud detection and cybersecurity capabilities, because we all know that the internet is now the main tool that is helping businesses to be able to drive their operations successfully. So there is the need for us to be able to use AI in a way that is going to enhance our mode of security, for us to be able to improve our fraud detection and cybersecurity capabilities, so as to prevent fraudsters or internet fraudsters or whatsoever from getting the chance to have access to our database and be able to retrieve certain confidential information from our system, and then causing a negative effect to the organization. So there is a need for us to also be able to do that. So these are the short-term implications. The short-term implications as far as the AI, tool is concerned with regards to the banking sector. So we have, as I'm indicated down there, we have a challenge, that is employee resistance and technology integration complexities may arise during transition. Yes, it happens every day, because one of the main problem or challenge that normally arises when an organization is trying to